Introducing the 2008 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van still has fewer than 30,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, a power seat, front dual-zone air conditioning, power moonroof, adjustable pedals, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.